Namaste children, Namaste to all. Already we completed third unit, isn't it? And I gave you homework also, isn't it? You have to write the slogans for harmful effects of air pollution, isn't it? Now, today we are going to see that evaluation part in book page number 97. Evaluation part in book page number 97, that is first division is choose the correct answer. First division is choose the correct answer. In that, listen. First question is air is a dash. Air is a dash. For that, the options are mixer, compound, complex. What is the answer? We all know that air is a mixer. So you have to put tick mark for A option, mixer, and write it in the dash, mixer. Okay. Then second question. Percentage of oxygen in air is about dash percent. Here the options are 21, 78, 1. What is the correct answer? 21%. So here second question also A option, 21. Then third question. Root nodules of some plants contains dash. Plants உடைய root nodules அந்த rootல வந்து round round-ஆ இருக்கும், அதுதான் nodules. ஓகே, அதுல என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா oxygen, options பாருங்க, oxygen, nitrogen, neon. We all know that plants need nitrogen for the growth, isn't it? So nitrogen is the correct answer. B option, Nitrogen, nitrogen. Then fourth question. The major cause of air pollution is dash. First one, that is the options are waste, smoke, water vapor. So air pollution உடைய major cause என்ன காரணத்தினால வருது அப்படின்னா due to waste or smoke or water vapor. Smoke. So you have to tick B option, S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Okay. Now second division. Who am I? In that first question. Who am I? In that first question. I am a mixture of gases. I am a mixture of gases. You have to guess. Who is the mixture of gases? Air. So you have to write air. Near that question you have to write A-I-R. Air. Then second one, I give you oxygen. Who gives oxygen to us? Plants. So you have to write plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Then third one, I am not the supporter of burning. We are in fire extinguisher, we are filling CO2, that is carbon dioxide, to put off the fire. So CO2 is I am not the supporter of burning. அப்படின்னா அதாவது burning, அதாவது நெருப்பு எரியறதுக்கு நான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். அப்போ who is that? CO2, that is carbon dioxide. You have to write it in full form. C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E, carbon dioxide. Okay. Then fourth question, you can help me to decrease pollution by riding on me. எந்த vehicle நாம ரைட் பண்ணோம்னா பொல்யூஷன், ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் ஆகாது. ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் ஆகாது அப்படின்னா நாம் அதாவது பொல்யூஷனை குறைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா பைசைக்கிள் தான் பொல்யூட்டே ஆகாத வெஹிக்கிள். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் பைசைக்கிள், B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Okay. This you have to write it in your book. Then third division. Third division, true or false. True or false? In that first question, plants need nitrogen for their growth. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is true. Plants need nitrogen. So you have to write T-R-U-E, true. Then second question, air is made up of oxygen only அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. No, it is wrong இல்லையா? நாமளே படிச்சிருக்கோம் air is a mixture of gases னு படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ஆனா இங்க oxygen மட்டும் தான் airல இருக்குன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால you have to write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Then the gas used for burning things is argon. No. So you have to write false. Burning things க்கு எது வேணும்? Oxygen is needed for burning things. Okay. Then next one. Carbonated drinks are bad to health. Yes, it is correct. So you have to write true. அந்த ஜூஸ் எல்லாம் அந்த பாட்டில் அடைச்சி வச்சிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் கார்பனேட்டட் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ். அதெல்லாம் வந்து இட் இஸ் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் கேஸ். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் ட்ரிங்க் தட் ஒன். இட் இஸ் பேட் ஃபார் அவர் ஹெல்த். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் இட் இஸ் கரெக்ட் ஒன். ஆர் பேட் டு ஹெல்த்னு கொடுத்துருக்கலாம்ல. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் ட்ரூ. தென் மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங். Match the following. Fourth division. In that 4 questions were given. In that 4 questions were given. Listen, first question, nitrogen, balloon, smog, lung cancer. These are the questions given and the options are given in incorrect way. That is air pollution, smoke and fog, 78% air. It is given like that. For nitrogen, we all know that the amount of that nitrogen present in air is 78%. So near that 78% you put 1, number 1. Then balloon. Balloon is filled with the air. So you have to put number 2 near air. Then smog. Smog is the mixture of smoke and fog. So you have to put number 3 near smoke and fog. Then lung cancer. Lung cancer is caused due to air pollution. Okay, near that air pollution you put number 4. So the number is 4312. 4312. Okay, 4312. You have to put the number 4312. Then next is 5th division, fill in the blanks. 5th division, fill in the blanks. In that first question, air is a mixture of many dash. Air is a mixture of many. We all know that air is a mixture of gases. So air is a mixture of many gases. G-A-S-E-E. G-A-S-E-S, gases. Then second question, amount of carbon dioxide in the air is. Carbon dioxide percentage என்ன? airல இருக்கு இல்லையா? So what is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air? 0.03%. 0.03%. 0.03%. Okay. Then next one. We inhale dash gas. Inhale na மூச்சை உள்ள இழுக்கிறது. We inhale dash gas. Inhale na மூச்சை உள்ள இழுக்கிறது. So we என்ன gas நாம எடுத்துக்கிறோம்? Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen. We inhale oxygen gas. Then next one, dash is used in fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers la enna use பண்றோம்? Carbon dioxide. So you have to write C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Because oxygen supports burning, carbon dioxide does not support burning. So CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is used to put off the fire. நெருப்பு எரியிறப்போ அந்த ஃபயர் எக்ஸ்டிங்யூஷர் யூஸ் பண்ணி நாம நெருப்பை அணைக்கிறதுக்கு நாம பயன்படுத்துறோம். அப்போ அந்த ஃபயர் எக்ஸ்டிங்யூஷர்ல என்ன கேஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு. Okay, oxygen, the chemical formula of oxygen is O2. The chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. That you have to know. O2 is for oxygen, carbon dioxide CO2. Okay, then this you have to write it in your book, page number 97. Okay, Next, page number 98. Answer the following questions in brief. Listen. What are the first? Listen. Sixth division. First question. What are the importance of air in our daily life? What are the importance of air in our daily life? You have to take book page number 88. Book page number 88 la importance of air in our daily life. Book page number 88 la. Book page number 88 la heading e kuduthirukanga importance of air in our daily life ante adula parunga 5 points irukke you have to write any 3 points any 3 points eludunga okay what are the importance of air in our daily life 5 points irukke you have to write any 3 points then second question what are the components of air what are the components of air the components of air vandu you have to write na board la eludi podra you copy that the components of air are argon and other gases. This you have to write it for second question. The components of air are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon and other gases. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon and other gases. Okay. Now, third question. What are the adverse effects of air pollution? Adverse effects of air pollution. That is given in book page number 94. Book page number 94 la book page number 94 la parunga adverse effect of air pollution nu kuduthirukanga illaya adula inda heading mattum the side heading mattum இந்த box la irukku illaya இந்த words mattum eludinina podum adverse effects of air pollution nu heading போட்டுட்டு global warming star போட்டு எழுதுங்க star போட்டு global warming then star போட்டு formation of smog star போட்டு formation of acid rain again star போட்டு aerosol formation star போட்டு depletion of ozone இது எல்லாமே 5 இருக்கு அந்த 5 மே எழுதணும் தெரியுதா adverse effects of air pollution போட்டு star போட்டு இந்த 5 ம் எழுதணும் that is the answer for third question then fourth question list uses of oxygen list uses of oxygen for uses of oxygen listen page number 92 எடுத்துக்கோங்க page number 92 page number 92 ல book page number 92 ல பாருங்க uses of oxygen னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா uses of oxygen அதுல 4 points கொடுத்திருக்காங்க you have to write any 3 points any 3 points you have to write சரிதா இந்த uses of oxygen னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க this is the answer for fourth question இதுல you can select any 3 and write okay then that's all about sixth division now we are going to see seventh division that is give short answers seventh division first question listen how can we reduce air pollution How can we reduce air pollution? For book page number 96. Book page number 96 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. How can we reduce air pollution? பாருங்க, for this, listen. Steps to check air pollution ஒரு heading போட்டிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு கீழே பாருங்க, air pollution can be reduced by the following steps அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? From there you have to mark. தெரியுதா? Air pollution can be reduced இருக்கு இல்லையா? அதுல இருந்து மார்க் பண்ணி இந்த 4 பாயிண்ட்ஸுமே எழுதணும். 4 பாயிண்ட்ஸும் இந்த ஹெட்டிங்கும் எழுதணும், இந்த 4 பாயிண்ட்ஸுமே எழுதணும். தெரியுதா? That is the answer for 7th division first question you mark. Book page number 96. Heading எழுதி 4 பாயிண்ட்ஸுமே எழுது. Okay. Then second question. What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? Air pollution நால என்னென்ன disease வருது அப்படின்னா, listen, take book page number 95. For effects of air pollution on human beings இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? அதுல அங்க பாரு, air pollution has bad impact இருக்கு பாருங்க. அந்த air pollutionல இருந்து மார்க் பண்ணி இந்த 4th பாயிண்ட் வரைக்கும் nervous system damage வரைக்கும் you have to write. சரிதா? book page number 95. Book page number 95. Okay. From here to this 4th point. Idu varaikku you have to write. Then third question, list out the uses of carbon dioxide. Uses of carbon dioxide. It is in book page number 92. Book page number 92 la parunga, uses of carbon dioxide nu heading potu 4 points kuduthirukanga. Heading எழுதி இந்த 4 points you have to write. தெரியுதா? Book page number 92. To mark these answers in your book. You have to mark these answers in your book and you have to write it in your note. You have to write it in your note. Already I told you to write the first and second unit in your note. Likewise, you have to write the third unit also in your note. You have to read and write. This is given 98. 98. Okay. You have to write division 1 to 7 in your note and you have to read. Okay. Homework. Read and write. Division 1 to 7 in unit 3. This is the homework. Okay. You have to read and write. You have to write all the answers. First you should mark the answers in your book. Then you have to write neatly in your science note. All the divisions you have to write leaving gap. That is a gap. You have to leave space between words and write neatly. Very, very neatly. Then you have to read all the divisions also. Okay. Dhanyavad.